Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description, or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 4,006 miles, and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes in each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tires at 430 seconds, and the rear tires are at 1030 seconds. We took this bike on a test ride, and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the actual service repair order, so you can see exactly the parts and labor we invested in this bike when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we could see as flaws not caused by normal riding. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has an owner's manual, one key, and one fob. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, reverse, traction control, navigation, and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with a luggage rack and axle caps. It has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. Now, let's go for a quick test ride. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.